So namhlanje-ke ekuseni sivuke ngey'ndaba ezibuhlungu kakhulu-ke zokudlula emhlabeni komdlali-ke wayo-ke iMamelodi Sundowns neBafana Bafana. So kuvelile-ke ukuthi-ke Jayden Adams is no more. So abantu-ke bebey'buza ukuthi-ke kwenzakaleni-ke kulo mdlali because he was just only 25 years of age. We were expecting to see him progress-ke laphayana-ke kuyo-ke i-football career yakhe after-ke some good performances-ke laphayana kwi-FIFA World Cup. Kodwa-ke lokho-ke ngeke kusenzeka-ke ngoba-ke lo mdlali-ke seshile-ke emhlabeni. So people were asking ukuthi-ke kahle kahle kwenzakaleni. According to iSunday World, Jayden Adams passed away early this morning. Kuthiwa-ke yena-ke yona cause of death yiyo-ke i-suicide. And once again, condolences to his family. Khumbuleke ukuthi-ke they were just burying his grandmother 2 weeks ago. So this is tough times for them, and hopefully-ke bazokwazi ukuthi-ke bakhophe-ke with all of this, and-ke bakwazi ukuthi baqhubekele-ke phambili-ke nayo-ke impilo.